Why do 60% of students know about the heart but not the liver? Let's discover King Liver's tale. In the kingdom of Bodyland, King Liver managed many vital tasks to keep everyone healthy. To ensure all was well, the wise council conducted a liver function test to check how well King Liver was performing his duties. First, they visited the royal messengers, bilirubin, who carried old red blood cells out of the kingdom. If too much bilirubin stayed in the blood, the people of Bodyland turned yellow, signaling that King Liver wasn't clearing the waste efficiently. The council advised boosting bile flow and addressing any blockages or infections to help clear the extra bilirubin. Next, the council looked at ALT and AST, King Liver's guards stationed inside the palace. If they found too many guards outside the palace in the bloodstream, it meant the palace walls' liver cells were damaged. The council advised King Liver to avoid toxins, alcohol and stress, and eat nourishing foods like fruits, vegetables and lean proteins to repair the damage. Then they visited ALP, the gatekeeper responsible for bile flow. If bile wasn't moving smoothly, ALP levels rose, signaling a blockage or liver disease. The council recommended supporting bile flow with hydrating foods, herbs, or sometimes medical procedures to remove stones or other blockages. Afterward, they checked albumin, a skilled craftsman in King Liver's court. Albumin produced vital proteins for the kingdom's health. If his work slowed down, Bodyland weakened. The council advised King Liver to support albumin by improving nutrition with protein-rich foods like eggs, fish and lean meats. The council also measured total protein, looking at albumin's work and the overall protein production in the kingdom. A low level suggested the kingdom needed better resources, such as nutrients and care. Finally, they checked with gamma-glutamyl transferase, GGT, who monitored the bile production and detoxification processes. If GGT levels were high, it showed King Liver was struggling to clear toxins or manage alcohol. The council recommended reducing alcohol consumption and using detoxifying herbs or treatments to relieve the burden on King Liver. With all these checks, the council worked to restore balance in Bodyland, ensuring King Liver could continue ruling with strength and health.